Prepare for mainnet, Justine Wu says. Hello, guys, what's new? Let's think more cheerful thoughts, guys. In light of that, heard of Pi Network? No. Yes, heard of mainnet? And something you definitely should know about. It's the future. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. So where to begin? Let's start from the root. The origin. So Pi Network. Mainnet. What's it? Long story short, a group of 3 Stanford PhD guys, Nicholas Kokalas, Chengdiao Fan, and Vince McPhillip, came together one night and said, let's make money. But, not only for us. For everybody. So unselfish. That's a lesson for us all. So they came up with Pi Network. A way to make cryptocurrency available to the masses. Pi is a new digital currency developed by Stanford PhDs with over 25 million members worldwide. To claim your Pi, follow this link minepi.com, omokeshaban, and use my username, omokeshaban, as your invitation code. Just like Bitcoin that was launched in 2009, the only way to mine the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin then and even now, is with the aids of computer connected to the internet. Pi Network is a bit different. For one, it's so easy to mine. 2, you can use your phone. And one thing that blows my mind to pieces is that it's free. Free. It's free. Saying it again. All you need is an invitation from an existing trusted member on the network, then you start mining, hence the referral code. The number one goal of Pi Network was to give everyday people greater access to cryptocurrency. So it's a cryptocurrency? Of course it is. And there are plenty of crypto faithful who see it as an opportunity, and in many cases they have taken that opportunity to get involved in a cryptocurrency from the ground up and possibly profit sometime in the future. They do this, perhaps, with one eye on some of the early Bitcoin, BTC adopters who have racked up gains from mining and holding the coin, which well is wise. It has had its doubters, of course, which is like super normal. People doubt everything. The scam group have likened Pi Crypto to a multi-level marketing, MLM scam that holds no value. As of the 9th of December, there are still no coins being traded, meaning no transactions and no fiat rewards. The other side of this argument is people haven't lost money, just a bit of phone battery time and personal data to mine coins that can't yet be traded. What's Pi Network, and how does it work? Pi Network is a digital currency project that aims to keep cryptocurrency mining accessible, as the centralization of first-generation currencies like Bitcoin has put them beyond the reach of everyday users. The Pi Network, developed by a team of Stanford graduates, enables users to mine coins using its mobile phone app, validating transactions on a distributed record. Unlike nodes on networks such as Bitcoin that use proof of work, PoW protocols, Pi nodes use an algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. Pi nodes validate transactions on a distributed ledger and reach a consensus on the order of new transactions that the ledger records. Under SCP, Pi nodes form security circles, or groups, of 3 to 5 trusted people known to each of the network's users. Security circles build a global trust network that prevents fraudulent transactions, as transactions can only be validated on the shared ledger if the trusted nodes approve them. With branding based on the number Pi, if you are wondering how to buy the Pi coin for your portfolio, you can't. Users who have mined the Pi cryptocurrency will only be able to withdraw or exchange their coins during the project's third phase when it moves to a decentralized blockchain. Pi cannot be transferred during the testing phase in order to prevent fake accounts from accumulating coins, according to the project's website. Wallet balances are expected to be honored when Pi shifts from the testnet to a mainnet, when the blockchain protocol comes out of development and is fully deployed. Phase 3. Holders will be able to take full control of their private and public wallet keys, and use the coin to buy products and services on Pi's peer-to-peer marketplace, or exchange it for fiat currency. Without the keys, users cannot transfer or spend the currency they hold. What phase are they currently in? Phase 2. The testing of the Pi node software on their computers. The Phase 2 also includes Pi Wallet and Pi Browse, which were released for testing on the 1st of April 2021. So when will Phase 3 launch? According to the project's developers, the start of the third phase has not been set and depends on progress made in the second phase. So fingers crossed, and hope for the best? Yeah. Pi coin is not yet available to trade on any cryptocurrency exchange or trading platform. The price of Pi has yet to be established, says a doubting Thomas. Wrong. So wrong, and partly right. Let me explain. Mainnet. That's the idea. Justine Wu, the founder of Decentralsong, in a tweet, said Pi Network mainnet coming. Check out bonus reward mining rate for locking up Pi long stronger. On the 10th of December 2021, team behind the project release update on when PiCoin will be migrated to mainnet, which will be available for trading. According to the information release on the Miners app, mainnet will be released few weeks from now, but no specific dates. That means before the end of this month PiCoin will be ready for trading, exchange with fiat money. To prepare the community for the mainnet migration, we are releasing some mobile app features related to mainnet now, which gives time for the community to understand, ask questions and pre-select settings before the mainnet launch. One feature is displaying the breakdown of a pioneer's balance, e.g. balance mined by themselves, transferable balance to mainnet and balance attributable to their team members. In addition, we are also releasing another important feature that allows pioneers to voluntarily lock up a portion of their transferable balances to mine at a higher rate later on. The lockup feature lets pioneers pre-select their voluntary lockup setting configurations that will apply to their mainnet transfer after mainnet launches and the pioneer passes KYC, the announcement read. As with other digital coins at launch, the Pi cryptocurrency value is likely to start at a relatively low level against the US dollar and rise as usage grows. What do some of the price forecasters suggest? Both cryptocurrency data provider CoinMarketCap and algorithm-based forecasting site Wallet Investor list a current value of $0.007077 for PiCoin. Depending on the number of cryptocurrency users and exchanges that adopt Pi, the bull case could see the coin's price launch at 16 cents and reach $1 a year later, according to crypto exchange Changelly. Over the longer term, the price could rise to $5 in 5 years' time. Which, well, very good. Gracias, amigo. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via our official email in the description of this video. Disclaimer, please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Quick reminder, if investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside in is to buy from the Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Thank you for watching and